welcome to the live pitch competition of BeChangeMaker 2018. I would like to welcome the first team, Lululab from Denmark, and they are focusing on empowering the young people through the power of technology.
We are Lululab, and we develop educational games on taboo topics to make it easier to speak out loud about even the difficult things.
So we envision a profit for non-profit business model where the work we do in Scandinavia can help cover the work that we do in developing countries.
Next up we have Mumbamich. It's a team that is based in Lebanon, and they are trying to provide a much better content online for education in Arabic.
Mumbamich is the most advanced e-learning platform that teaches programming in the Arabic language. So we took that challenge and we built Mumbamich. As you can see, this is the website. It has courses, it has chapters and videos that teach you skills in form of screencast tutorials.
Team Ripple from India, they are focusing on improving water saving and also providing some economic benefits to their communities.
In India, we cannot drink water directly from a tap, so we use RO, that is reverse osmosis water purifiers, to get clean drinking water. For every 1 liter of clean drinking water, 3 to 4 liters of water is being rejected.
We offer you a one-of-a-kind product that can purify this reject water and store it to fulfill the basic domestic demands.
Christina from Syrios, the team that is based in Syria, and they are providing a very innovative solution to help the mute and the deaf people communicate.
We have 6 flex sensor and 5 touch sensor and 1 gyro and mic accelerator, in addition to a Bluetooth sheet to translate the data to our mobile application. So our goal is to empower every disabled person to feel socially integrated and fully experience the world without barriers.
I'm very happy to introduce Ruaboros, whose team members come from Guatemala and Honduras, and 3 of them are studying computer science together. So they would like to provide a very innovative business solution to help encourage more sustainable production of rice.
And we figured out that rice straw is actually lignocellulosic biomass, which means that it can be turned into products of higher value, be it biogas, biofuels, sugar syrup, or even pulp for paper. So, why are we still not doing this?
The 5th place is Lululab. Number 4, we have Mumbamich. Number 3, we have Christina from Syrios. Number 2, we have the team from India, Ripple. Let me please announce the Ouroboros to be the first place of BeChangeMaker 2018.